Are you wondering how to run a charity project using vending machines to distribute the product to those in need? Or perhaps you're looking for a way to use vending machines as distribution points for yourselves without requiring the payment on the spot. Fortunately, there is a solution.
To initiate the process, start by logging into the back-end system on your laptop and navigate to the marketing settings. Once there, select Redeem QR Code and then click on Add. This will take you to a section where you can name your promotional campaign, for example, charity. Choose the appropriate machine and specify the number of redeem codes to be dispensed. You can also set the start and end times for the campaign. For example, here I set 13 to 21 and click Submit. Once you have entered all the required information, activate the campaign and click on the Detail button. This will reveal the QR codes that have just been generated. Click on any one of them to download it. And finally, you can send the QR code to the intended recipient, whether it's someone in need for charity purpose or a client who has made a payment on your website or outside of the vending machine payment system.
If I was the intended recipient and I now get the QR code from the vending machine operator, I will now use the QR code to take the product from this vending machine. Okay, now I will first to choose the product on the interface. And then I will select the QR code payment. I will scan the QR code. And this QR code can only be used for one time. If I will use the QR code to scan again to get the product, I will not be allowed it. It says payment failed. This is a perfect function to run a charity project or use vending machine as distribution points for yourselves. If you are interested in our vending machines, please feel free to contact us for a quotation. Thank you.